In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to how to add connections in Figma, #tutorial, #Figma, #FYP, #Figma tips, #Figma tutorial. If you're brand new to prototyping in Figma, don't worry, this is quick, visual, and very beginner friendly. First, head to the Figma website in your browser and open the file or page you'll be working on. Make sure your design is already set up. For this walkthrough, imagine you have two simple shapes on your canvas. They can be buttons, cards, or placeholders, anything you plan to link together. Click to select the first shape. With it selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and switch from the Design tab to the Prototype tab. This tab changes your tools from styling to interaction. As soon as you're in prototype mode, you'll notice a small circular plus icon, sometimes called a node, appear on the edge of the selected shape. That little handle is how you create a connection. Hover over the plus button until your cursor indicates you can drag. Click and hold, then drag a line from that node towards your second shape. As you drag, you'll see a connecting wire following your cursor. Position the end of the wire over the second shape and release your mouse. Figma will snap the connection into place and you'll see a clear visual link between the two shapes on the canvas. That's all there is to adding a connection. You started on the Figma website, opened your page, selected your first shape, switched to prototype, and dragged the plus handle to the second shape to link them. This creates the basic interaction path you'll use repeatedly as you build out a flow. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the plus button, double-check that the correct shape is selected and that you're truly on the Prototype tab. Zoom in a bit if the handle is hard to grab, especially on small elements. Try to drag from the edge closest to your destination. It makes the wire cleaner and easier to manage on complex layouts. And remember, you can repeat this exact process to connect as many shapes as you need, building a clear map of your user journey. Once you're comfortable with the drag and connect motion, you'll find that prototyping in Figma becomes a fast, intuitive part of your design workflow. Keep practicing this on different elements until it feels second nature, and you'll be ready to map out complete flows with confidence.